Mexican weddings are super special. They're full of life, love, and tradition. It's like two families becoming one big happy family. Weddings in Mexico are full of joy. There's tons of yummy food, fun music, and lots of dancing. Most importantly, there's a whole lot of love. Mexican weddings celebrate history and where they come from. They mix old customs and Spanish traditions. These traditions have been around for a long time. They show how strong Mexican culture is. Mexican weddings can happen anywhere. Sometimes they're in pretty churches with lots of flowers. Other times they're in courtyards with twinkling lights. Or they happen at home with family. Wherever they are, it's always magical. Everyone is excited and happy. The smells of mole and tamales fill the air. It makes the party even better. Marriage is a really big deal in Mexico. It's like a super important promise. It's a commitment blessed by God. Families are a big part of Mexican weddings. They give their blessings and help to the couple. Marriage isn't just about two people. It's about two families joining together. It's a celebration of love and being together. Families make strong connections through marriage. They share happy and sad times together. They are always there for each other. The bride usually wears a beautiful white dress. It often has lace, embroidery, or colorful ribbons. The groom wears a guayabera. It's a comfy shirt, usually white or a light color. The bride's dress represents purity and tradition. It shows her heritage and her dreams for the future. The groom's outfit is fancy and comfy. It's perfect for a fun Mexican wedding. Section 5. Symbolic bonds, rituals that bind. Mexican weddings have beautiful rituals. Each one has a special meaning. They make the ceremony even more special. One important ritual is the blessing of the coins. The groom gives 13 gold coins to the bride. These coins mean he promises to take care of her. The bride accepts them, showing her trust and love. Another ritual is the lasso ceremony. A lasso, usually made of rosary beads, is placed around the couple. Section 6. The language of the soul. Music and dance. Music and dancing are super important at a Mexican wedding. They make the party fun and exciting. Mariachi bands often play traditional Mexican music. Everyone wants to dance when they hear the music. The music shows the heart of Mexico. It's full of passion, romance, and love for life. Dancing is how guests show they're happy. It's how they celebrate the couple's love. Section 7. A tapestry of love, family, and community. Family and community are the most important parts of Mexican weddings. Everyone comes together to support the couple. Guests give the couple lots of love and good wishes. They share in the joy of this special day. Mexican weddings make communities stronger. They remind us about love, family, and tradition. These weddings are a celebration of life. They show the strong spirit of Mexican people. Section 8. A sweet conclusion. Mexican wedding favors and desserts. Mexican weddings often end with yummy treats. Guests get little gifts called recuerdos to thank them for coming. These gifts are like a little thank you. They help guests remember the fun party. Guests might also eat traditional Mexican desserts. These include churros, flan, or pan dulce. These sweet treats are a yummy way to end the party. Everyone remembers how delicious they were. Section 9. A timeless love story. I remember my friends Elena and Miguel's wedding. The love in their eyes was so bright. As they danced with their families, it felt like time stopped. Everyone was so happy because they were so happy. Their wedding showed how powerful love, family, and tradition are. I'll never forget that day. Elena and Miguel's love story inspires me. It reminds me that love is super powerful and traditions make our lives better.